before I start today's vlog, yesterday something miraculous happened. It rained. Probably solid 2 weeks. British weather was just solid sunshine and heat. Something which has hitherto never happened in British weather, I am sure. But yeah, I think someone's finally managed to fix British weather because it's now gone nice and grey again. But yeah, yesterday I was like, it started raining. I was like, oh my god, what's happening? Water is falling from the sky because I'd literally forgotten what rain looks like. So, woohoo! Anyway, now the 50th anniversary photos have some photos from the Doctor Who 50th anniversary have been released. And these are the photos of Daleks. What I'm confused about are these Daleks are the Bronze Time War era Daleks. Now, what I really want to know is what the heck has happened to the Progenitor Daleks? You know, the Power Ranger Daleks. Like, they were, brought forward as the next gen of Daleks. They eradicated the previous Bronze Daleks. When they appeared in Pandora Opens and the Big Bang, although the latter is a rock version, and then we go to Victory of the Daleks, an episode which I just refuse to acknowledge, and we have a smattering of probably Daleks, primarily Bronze Daleks. What's the point of announcing a new Dalek if you're not going to use it? I mean, I asked this question on YouTube on a video about, they use them to Heathrow to celebrate the 50th anniversary, and some guy said there was massive backlash towards the Progenitor Daleks, so go back to the old ones. Fair enough, I mean, at least you're listening to fan reaction. I personally actually like the Progenitor Daleks. I figure they're very classic series, old school look, but hey, that's just me. But if you're going to do that, a reason for it at least. I mean, it sort of defeats the whole point of victory of the Daleks if it just got rid of. Shall I?